Hey there, fellow YouTube explorers. I've got an exciting announcement for all you K-12 students out there. Spring break is just around the corner, and guess what? Your local Onondaga County Public Libraries have got your back with a week full of awesome activities. Now you might be thinking, libraries? During spring break? That's a bit unexpected. But trust me, this is where the magic happens. Libraries are stepping up their game, and they're not just about books anymore. They're bringing you a whole new world of experiences, and it's time to dive in. First up, let's talk about kite making at the Tully Library. Yes, you heard that right. Kites aren't just for windy days at the beach. They're a fantastic way to get creative and learn about aerodynamics. Personally, I think this is a brilliant idea because it combines art and science. You get to design your own kite, experiment with different materials, and then see it soar in the sky. It's a hands-on learning experience that will have you feeling like a modern-day Leonardo da Vinci. But wait, there's more. The Retro Game Con is taking over multiple library locations. This is not your average gaming event. It's a celebration of retro gaming culture, where you can relive the glory days of pixelated adventures. What makes this really interesting is the sense of nostalgia it brings. You can introduce younger generations to the games you grew up with and maybe even discover some hidden gems. It's a fantastic way to bridge the generation gap and appreciate the evolution of gaming. What many people don't realize is that libraries are becoming community hubs, offering way more than just books. They're adapting to the modern world, catering to diverse interests, and providing interactive experiences. If you take a step back and think about it, libraries are evolving into spaces that encourage creativity, learning, and social interaction. It's a brilliant strategy to engage the community and make libraries relevant to all ages. This raises a deeper question: how can we continue to reinvent public spaces to meet the needs of modern society? Libraries are leading the way by offering programming that goes beyond traditional expectations. They're becoming destinations for exploration and discovery, which is exactly what we need in a world filled with digital distractions. In my opinion, these spring break programs are a fantastic initiative to get kids excited about learning outside the classroom. It's a chance to explore new interests, develop skills, and have fun in a safe and educational environment. So, if you're a parent or a student in the area, make sure to check out the full list of events, link in the description. You might just discover a new passion or rekindle an old one. Remember, learning doesn't have to be confined to the four walls of a classroom. It can be an adventure, and your local library is here to prove it. So get ready to make this spring break one to remember. Happy exploring, and I'll catch you in the next video.